Feeling the pinch, but still want to eat healthy? No problem. Today, we're diving into 10 affordable, nutrient-packed foods that will supercharge your meals without draining your wallet. Let's get started. 1. Beans, healthy protein source. Beans, a true nutritional powerhouse, are a budget-friendly protein source. They're packed with fiber, iron, and zinc, essential for a healthy diet. Whether you choose canned or dried, beans are a versatile ingredient that can be added to soups, stews, salads, and more. Tip: rinse canned beans to reduce sodium content. 2. Whole grains. The foundation of good health. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are the unsung heroes of the pantry. They're loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Brown rice, for example, is a great source of B vitamins, magnesium, and iron. Tip: cook grains in a rice cooker or pot to save energy and time. 3. Oats. The breakfast of champions and budget shoppers, oats are a versatile and affordable way to start your day. They're packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Pair them with vitamin C-rich fruits like berries to boost iron absorption. Tip: experiment with different toppings like nuts, seeds, and fruit for added flavor and nutrition. 4. Frozen foods. Fresh, frozen, and fantastic. Frozen fruits and vegetables are a budget-friendly way to enjoy fresh produce year-round. They're often picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen to lock in nutrients. Tip: use frozen fruits and vegetables in smoothies, soups, and stir-fries. Frozen fruits and vegetables are often just as nutritious as fresh produce, and sometimes even more nutrient-dense. 5. Egg-cellent Choice. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. They're also a great source of choline, which is important for brain health. Tip: experiment with different cooking methods like boiling, scrambling, or poaching. 6. Potato power. Potatoes, especially sweet potatoes, are a versatile and nutrient-dense food. They're packed with fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Tip: choose sweet potatoes over regular potatoes for a higher nutrient content. 7. Canned tomatoes. A kitchen staple. Canned tomatoes are a budget-friendly way to add flavor and nutrition to your meals. They're packed with vitamin C, fiber, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Tip: use canned tomatoes in sauces, soups, and stews for a quick and easy meal. 8. Nuts. Nature's snack pack. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're a perfect on-the-go snack or addition to salads and yogurt. Tip: portion nuts into small bags to avoid overeating. 9. Rotisserie chicken. A meal in a minute. A rotisserie chicken is a versatile and affordable protein source. It can be used in salads, sandwiches, soups, and more. Tip: use leftover chicken to make soups, stews, and casseroles. Chicken is a lean protein source, low in saturated fat and high in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. 10. Herbs and spices. Flavorful and functional. Herbs and spices can transform even the simplest meal. They're packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. Tip: experiment with different herbs and spices to create unique flavor combinations. By stocking your pantry with these affordable, nutrient-dense foods, you can create delicious and healthy meals without breaking the bank.